viewers will remember this big gold cushion. I originally bought it for the boys' room, then I moved into my room. It was working well in my room too. The reason why I moved it out of the boys' room, they didn't really need a big cushion like this, but they do have the Toy Story cushion in there, and I think they like that the most. I think this big old one and the other orange ones, they don't really care much about it. So I just moved it into my room, and then because it's autumn, I decided it's a green colour, very autumnal type of colour, so I brought it downstairs. This is what it's going to stay from now on. Actually, the pink rose cushions from H&M have gone upstairs to my room, so we're going to see that later on actually in this video. And also these cushions, the grey ones, I am DIYing them actually, because they've lost their little middle buttons. They came with buttons in the middle. I'll show you in the other cushion. This cushion, it has like the middle button. Yeah, the kids literally ripped it apart. They look okay. They look okay. We don't get that much visitors to the house. No one's going to notice. We've got cushions and just missing buttons. So